Thank you guys so much! 50 episodes! This is insane! If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you've been here a while and you haven't subbed, what's the matter with you? I mean, come on, hit the sub button. I went back through all the videos that we've done, 49 of them, and I put together the kind of my favorite best of type of videos. Stick around to the very end. I'm gonna give you a sneak preview of the new show that we're doing, Forging Friendships. There's some cool stuff right there. You're gonna wanna stick around and check that out. Oh, and don't forget, we're giving away a sword at 500 subscribers. We're at like 415, 417 right now. Just a little bit to go. Let's give away a sword. Come on, hit the button, hit the button, hit the button. So the day has come. It's the day we start a YouTube channel. Some shelves and all kinds of other stuff. Got some, 35 seconds. 35 seconds to figure out I'm a moron. This is what we got. I'm stoked, man. This is so cool. You got sound. Yeah, I do yoga. What? Yell at the wind!
There's stuff in the air.
How many legs does a spider have?
That's maybe 8.
And everybody knows that knife makers roll in the money, right? Is that like real, man? Absolutely. You're crazy. Maybe you are. Maybe you're not.
Let's face it, he shaved the beard and lost that birthright. This guy. Get down before your wife sees you, man.
trying to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Welcome back to Buy My Blades, the show dedicated to this guy and all the crazy cool stuff he makes for you.
Feels good. Like, comment, and subscribe out of pity. It is the stupidest thing ever.
While there is still no word on a cure for the virus, government officials report the virus is not airborne, but can be transferred. This was a terrorist attack. Due to the violent nature of the ones infected, the virus is spread. Riots nationwide are prompting local governments to declare martial law.
I'm doing a giveaway.
It is Megan Bates. Megan, you won the knife. In there so she can.
We're in Moody Gardens, also known as Galveston.
I've never met a person that has such a sunny, happy, infectious disposition. The dude is amazing. I wish we could all be like a Byron.
We're still in Texas, certainly, but we're going to, like, from Texas to somewhere else, but I don't know.
Can he do it? One-handed while holding a hammer. No, he cannot. No, he cannot. So we made it through what? 5?
5. It was 5.
5. We made it through 5 and you know, we had to call it quits. Because, well, it's Texas and because 5-year-old, right? That's why.
And we only lost 1 ball, so that was good.
1 ball for 5 holes, and this is an 18-hole course and we only have 3 balls, so we wouldn't have made it anyway.
You're in my shot.
You bring my 6-shooter? Let's go get that locomotive.
The suspense is killing, right?
Yeah!
What do you hear, Fizz?
Water.
What kind of water?
Waterfalls.
Are we almost there?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you so ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're ready?
Yeah! My little buggy got stuck in that tree, and then Daddy got it out. Very happy.
You want to talk about it?
I've spent a lot of time studying some things over the past years. Things that are coming that are gonna rock your world. And the mask is trying to stop it. How do I get out of here? Where do I go? Where am I? We're hunting trains. All right, so the Boy Scout in me is kicking in. I'm not gonna know where I need to turn back off to find my car. I'm gonna take this rock. I'm gonna put it right there. That's being smart. Here we go. It smells. Oh no. Where's the tube? There's no tube. We need a tube.
I got it.
Where's
No
the
worries. I'll be back. It's in my room. I'll be right back, okay?
Somebody already opened the box. Was that fun?
Yeah.
You had a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Did we make a mess?
Yeah.
Guess who gets to clean it up?
Who?
You.
Oh.
I'm kidding. I'm totally helping clean up. I gotta figure out how to make it snap it. Welcome to the shop. Yesterday was a busy day. It was phenomenal. Got to do the first day of filming for the show, Forging Friendships. It was awesome. It could not have gone any better. It was really good. I can't even put into words how excited I am. Once this actually starts going and rolling, this is gonna be some cool stuff. And I hope it's not just me with delusions in my head, but I think it's gonna be pretty cool. And I really hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. Filming things now, editing things now, got more. I'm gonna count and see, what's my calendar say? Calendar says, day of filming Friday, this Friday, the 31st of July. Filming possibly the 6th of August, definitely the 7th and 8th of August. Filming the 15th, filming the 18th, filming the 22nd. All of those are different individuals. So what is that? Did yesterday, 1, 2, that's 7 right there. That's 7. Now, hopefully, this will probably be a really good time to give more information on this. This is what we're gonna do.
Entertainment news.
So the show, the idea for this show. I've had ideas like this for quite some time, going back to when I was in production school. You know how life is, you hold things in the back of your head and things just, timing's not right. Other things come in, people come in, they say they want to do the same ideas, let's collaborate. Doesn't necessarily happen. And then you finally get yourself in a position to where it's just, okay, I'm just gonna do this. This quarantine situation, this virus garbage situation has given me the time to focus on this. Everybody's going through their own stuff right now, but this to me is a blessing in disguise. That's just me. Forging Friendships is born in 2020, the jacked up year that it is. Forging Friendships is this idea with all the people that I'm meeting in this beautiful knife making community. You see someone here, you see someone there. They're just slow. Once or twice a year, over and over and over again, you're developing that friendship, that connection, something that's very special in this community. And it's special in a lot of communities. That's what I want to highlight. The idea of me personally, the journey of meeting new people, no matter what industry they're in, and forging that bond, that friendship. So the format and idea for the show is this. I, with this camera, via you, carrying you on a tripod, are gonna go to various individuals of various industries. And we're gonna get to know that individual. How? Specifically focusing on what they do in that industry. Now I'm gonna use knife making as the illustration because that's what we do. I'm gonna go to somebody's shop, we're gonna sit down in the shop. We're gonna do some playing in the shop. We're gonna highlight and showcase what they want to in the shop. That's only gonna be 1/3 of the situation. Next, we're gonna go to some location, if possible, sit down, have some food, and just talk. Who are you? Who were you? Who are you? Who are you gonna be? I wanna get to know the person. I want you to get to know that person. Then the third segment is the other thing. No matter what industry you're in, that's what you're known for, but you got other things that you're into that you don't know about. What are those things? You know, the blacksmith may be into Jeeps. The restaurateur may be into crocheting. I'm not gonna do crocheting, that's boring. The Fortune 500 businessman who is an author and motivational speaker, whatever, may be into parasailing. The gunsmith may be into jumping out of an airplane. We're gonna go do those things just for fun, excitement, added extra value content so you get to know who this person is inside the shop, outside the shop, before the shop, after the shop, before the industry, after the industry. Whatever they're into, I want you to know about it. And I want them to tell their story. That's the idea in a nutshell. I'm just gonna have fun, go travel around, starting local of course, because I don't have a budget for this. Starting local in Texas, driving around to different places, different people, different industries inside Texas, getting their story and sharing it with you. We got the first day of filming yesterday, done, wrapped. It turned out phenomenal. Super excited, cannot wait. I'm looking to do this, launch this, premiere it, whatever you want to call it, in the fall. I don't know how many episodes I'm gonna have. Like I said, I've got about 7 people lined up right now. I want more. I would like to do each individual 3 episodes. Segment 1, segment 2, segment 3, 15 minutes each, total of 45 minutes per segment, or per video. That's in a perfect world, right? If anything, if the rest of it goes like yesterday went, I've got more than enough material to do those 3. And we only filmed the first 2 segments, the in the shop and the personal interview type thing. We still didn't even get to the other thing. I may even turn it into 4. I don't know. We'll just have to see how it works. I want to keep your attention. I don't want it to be boring. I want it to be high-paced, energetic, and fun. Because let's face it, that's what we want. We don't want to sit through what I'm doing right now, which is explaining everything and taking so much time and being boring while doing it. You don't sit through that. I don't sit through that. I gotta figure out how to make it snappy. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. I really hope you enjoyed all that. As a thank you, reward for making it all this way, here's a preview of Forging Friendships. Really hope you enjoy this.
Of course.
My name is Lee Lanford.
I thought he was making meth.
Yeah, so here's some of the knuckles we make. I am the owner, operator, blacksmith, machinist.
Can we light one to see what it looks like?
Yeah. Founder, all that sort of stuff.
That's how knives are made, people. Magic.
Magic. All right, here we go. Of Heart of Texas Metalworks.
Next week on Forging Friendships.